Good afternoon. Today the case study of cutting tools. Okay. Generally the cutting tools. Can you tell anyone cutting tools? Telling me. Tapping is one of the cutting tools. Boring tool or milling cutter. Okay, these are the cutting tools. The proper cutting tools should be resharpening in a proper distance. Most of the uneducated operators, the less skill or poor skills operators, making a sharpening by using the pedestal grinding. And have you seen the pedestal grinding? Yes, that.
I entered a company purpose of.
Can you explain the company?
Sir, they manufacturing pump, submersible pump and motor. So that only using and it's part of grinding and paintings and tapping patients. They using it's also before it say pedal grinding. The time I saw.
Have you any experience in after diploma? So many of the persons are using that maybe we might be chances to sharpening, but the heat penetrated the inside because the steel is especially designed for the grinding. This wheel does not produce more and more heat. That wheel can make because this is a rough wheel. Okay, that is not good. Give the exactly perfect surface, and we should not make as a required shape and size. Okay, that purpose they are making these machine tools to increasing the life of tools by after the sharpening purpose. Okay, they are especially choose and recommended in butter grinding process. This is a cutting wheel. Have you seen the cutting wheel? Color. Speak loudly. Couple. Top. What type of wheel? Couple. We can move zigzag. Any type we can rotate this types. And also we can up and down move. Okay. The based on the tool height and the fixer height, we can adjust the head of the straight. This will attach with the spindle. The maximum RPM maybe how much? Approximately 1400 RPMs we expect. That's the maximum standard 1000 for better performance. Why we provide in this safeguard? This is a safeguard of this. Why provided? Small waste material that has put our workplaces in. Next one. Suppose if the wheel break, what happened? If not available in the guard, the operator working this area. Okay. This guard is not available. What happened? The wheel broke. What happened? Attack and operation, what happened? Injuries, space injuries, a lot of issues on mistakes, lost, sometimes they lost their life. So they provided safe for every day. This is a reciprocating thing. We can adjust horizontal, reciprocate, left side or right side based on the cutting. If the fixer is fixed here, if we want, we can sharpen. We can adjust. We will do the board. We can adjust and we'll see the This is a what is this? We are cutting this, the milling cutters. Milling cutters. We can sharp by using this type of things. So before the selecting the cutting tools, we should select the proper guiding tools. Because mostly the HSS tools and tool bits, the HSS material sharpening and resharpening, hacking, in grinding process, mostly selected as CBN. The CBN means carbon boron nitrate.